Sorry for the shaky cam. Right now I'm just recording on my camera. Stop it. As you guys can clearly see, my cat likes to get in my way. Anyways, I was planning on recording this, but I figured I'd just do this instead. I'm welding up as you guys can see, the wheel welds there, and I mean it's coming out pretty good. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just right there where you guys see the ground rod. You know, you guys have seen all the video there. I've got one more hole to patch, like cut out and patch. Actually, I've got two. So right where that ground rod is, right there. It's pretty rusty going across there, so I'm gonna have to cut that out, and another spot there, kind of circled by the welding wire there, right in that section. Right here, I'm just trying to fit in that other piece and kind of tack it in place and weld it. I gotta tell you, it went way faster this time having tight welds or tight spots rather than having a huge gap to fill. The hardest part of what I was doing here was just where I grinded it out, trying to fill up the cuts that I made with the grinder inside this, or just outside the squares. So I thought I'd show you guys this. Just a quick video. Kind of go ahead and blast through this, and then after I clean it all up, I like to fill up any of the small holes as well, the pinholes. And then right after this, once I get done, I'm going to use a rock sealant, like a thick can of rock sealer. So like most people do, you know. So I started to put this away here, and then I thought, you know what, maybe I want to get the grinder out and actually grind these down to make them smooth, because if I'm going to cover them up, I want to make it look a lot better than it does, especially with those thick gaps that I had. You guys see the amount of sparks that are flying. There's a lot of metal to grind off a little bit smoother than it was. And then here I'm going to come back in and start. And then I'll say this too, the nice thing about putting this stuff on is it actually allows you to see holes a lot easier, and then come back and fill them, to be honest with you. But yeah, that's it. She's done. Just a quick video. Thanks for watching.